Well, I got all the masking done for this guy. I'm gonna do the first coat. Today's gonna be a paint day. This is my little impromptu paint booth. So I'm gonna do a first coat of white of some real old school stuff. This stuff's gotta be from the 80's. Anyways, we'll see how it works. I'll be back after. Well, I got some Flex Seal. I figured I got a bunch of newer trucks and a new truck body. And so my older one, I might as well use the whole can while I'm doing the that's the first coat of white on that. So I'll probably do these all together. Do the Flex Seal. We'll see how it goes. Be back after we get sprayed. Anyways, like I was saying, this is my 112 while I'm waiting for the paint to dry on her bodies, and we got some white Flex Seal. Sprayed these guys up. Let them dry. Well, got all the stickers on and everything. It didn't turn out quite how I wanted. There's lots of imperfections, but this is the first one I've ever done. It's good enough. You see, the top looks like crap. You know, all the masking that I did, it just absorbed all of the paint. So, food for thought. All the places I use the marker paints on work pretty good. So, I don't know. First one. It is definitely my clown car. Anyways, once I get it over Mom's tomorrow on Easter, I'll put it on the buggy and rip her real quick, and then I'll put this video up. So until then, see you.